Hey guys, today I received this video smart lock for reviewing purposes. So let's open it up and let's see what comes inside. First thing we have is the user manual with all the steps on how to install it, how to connect it with the application, which is something that I think that it's nice, and how to use each and configure each kind of configuration that you can adjust. Okay, which I think that it's great. You get obviously the guides on how to install each piece, this main piece up on your door, into the mainframe and everything. Okay, it comes really well protected with some foam, and you get a screwdriver to do the installation. And these are the main units. Okay, this is the exterior assembly. Okay, as you can see, it comes with a camera, finger reader right here, and in here you can use the lock. Okay, you can see you get the numbers so you can configure it and everything. Okay, and here we get the latches and everything that we're gonna use to place it upon the door. As you can see, it's a simple assembly. This is the interior side of the lock. Okay, as you can see, you can lock it, unlock it, and here will go the battery, which comes included. It's a battery pack which charges with USB Type-C that you just have to plug in right here. Okay, just place it in here and it's ready. Just set it up like this, and that's it. We also get a set of keys and all the screws that we're gonna need to do this installation and everything, which I think that it's great that it comes included. Okay, we also get some double-sided tape so we can assist us in the installation process by sticking it into the door, which I think that it's great, in a USB Type-C charging cable to use it with. Okay, so let's go ahead and start installing it, and let's see how it works and how it looks all set up, how to use the application and all the options that you get right there. Okay, come on. Okay guys, the proper installation process of this door lock is actually really simple, and it doesn't take that much long, and I think that it's nice that you can use it with or without the application. You can configure all the users without having the necessity of the application, or if you want to have a more control over each notification when it arrives, someone opens the door or anything, you can use the application. But I think that it's great that you have many different options to use this door lock. I think that it's great because it combines many different ways of entry, which I think that it's great. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed. It's a really sleek unit. As you can see, you have the numbers right here, the camera right here, a ring bell, so you can just press it and the camera will be activated. That way you can see who's ringing your bell, a fingertip breather, and where we're going to use the key if we need it. Okay, as you can see, it's in case that it runs out of battery or anything like that. Which I think that it's really nice. You can unlock it with a code, which I think that it's a nice option. I'm gonna test it out. As you can see, it unlocks. Okay, I'm gonna look it once again. I can also unlock it with my fingertip. As you can see. And in the application, we can hold to unlock it. We get the surveillance video of the camera feed when we press it on. As you can see, it is establishing a channel, and that way we can see through the camera. Wait a second. So you can see, I can see through the camera, and I can select if I want to talk, if I want the audio. Right now I have my Apple AirPods connected, and I can listen through my cell phone. I can take a picture, I can take a video of it, I can talk. Okay, I'm going to continue, allow. I can talk through the main unit, which I think that it's nice. And we can also hold to unlock it like this. Let's unlock it. And as you can see, it said unlock. Okay, I can open it. And once again, I can unlock it while long pressing it. Okay, we can select the video quality, HD or SD, as you can see. I think that that's a nice option if you want to save a little bit more um, clarity in the video that you need. As I've said, you can unlock it and lock it with the app. And something that I think that it's really, really nice is that if we press the rainbow, we get two options. We can know from the inside that it's someone at the door, or we can get a phone call, as you can see, like this. We can take it, and it takes us to the surveillance once again, which I think that it's really, really nice. Overall, I think that it's great. As you can see, it's really, really easy to use. I like it because it was also a really quick installation process that didn't take that much long, and I think that it can be perfect to place it in your entrance door or wherever you need it. So overall, because it's nice options of surveillance, I think that's great, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.